Hello kids, welcome to our drawing class. Today, we are going to draw a cute little fish. Let's start with the body. Draw a big oval shape, just like an egg. This will be the fish's body. Now, on one side, draw a triangle for the tail. Great job! Next, let's make the fins. Draw one fin on the top and another small fin at the bottom. Now add a little fin near the head too. Perfect! Time for the face. Draw a big circle for the eye and a tiny black dot inside. Then make a smiling mouth so our fish looks happy. Wonderful! Now let's add some details. Draw a few curved lines on the tail and fins. You can also make small scales on the body by drawing tiny U shapes. Wow, our fish looks amazing already. Now it's coloring time. Fish come in so many colors: orange, yellow, blue, pink, even rainbow colors. Let's color the body bright orange, the fins yellow, and the tail red. You can also add some bubbles and seaweed in the background to make it look like the fish is swimming in the ocean. And there you go, kids! Our cute and colorful fish is ready. You did such a great job today. Keep practicing your drawings every day, and you'll become a wonderful artist. Thank you for drawing with me. See you in the next video.